You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly once and for all because, alright, so this is the name of a car model by British manufacturer Bentley, and then the name of the car is named after a town near the circuit or the racing track of Le Mans, which is pronounced in French Mulsanne. Mulsanne is the name of a curb on the track, okay? Mulsanne, it's a town, Mulsanne. Now, in English, it's normally said as Mulsanne, alright? Which I'm not sure why it's the Z. It's not an OO sound, it's an U sound, which is very French. I admit that. Mulsanne. Bentley Mulsanne, it should be said. However, in English, it's normally pronounced as Bentley Mulsanne. I'm not sure why. It's kind of incorrect by default, but that's how the British would say it, probably the people at Bentley as well. It's not correct. Bentley Mulsanne, please. Mulsanne, if you can pronounce French. At least now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.